Okay guys, in today's episode, we are taking the Taco from looking like this to now looking like this. Here is one of the fenders that we're going to be using. This is off of a four-wheel drive Tacoma, and as you can see, it's got rust on it here and a little bit there. And we've also got some rust here, here, and there. So I'm going to sand this down and clean up the rust, put some primer on it. This is the inside of it. And you can see right there I got a few little pinholes, so I'm going to put some fiberglass on that. It is I got all the rust off, and the white is primer, the bottom part, and I got a hole right there. I'm also going to just put a little fiberglass on it. This spot doesn't really matter, but we're going to fiberglass it anyway. While the other fender is drying, we're going to start taking this fender off. So there's a bolt in the front, two below the bumper, two underneath, one on the inside of the door jamb, and 3 or 4 across the top right there. We're going to start by opening the hood and I think removing the bumper. Okay, I jacked the truck up for ease of working on it. As you can see, the hood is open and the bumper is off. Exposes 2 bolts right here, one there and one there. Next I'm going to remove this side marker light, 2 screws. Side marker light is out. Next we're going to open the door here and see if we can find the bolts for the inside here. Okay, if you look right at the top of the door, there is a 10mm bolt right there. If you can see, but the door opens just perfect so that you can get the bolt from the outside. Okay, we got that one removed right there. We're gonna work on this corner down here now. Yep, and there's 2 bolts right there. Okay, I got the 2 bolts out of the bottom. Next we're gonna work on these 2 right here. Yep, those 2 snapped off inside of there. So yeah, one here, that one's probably gonna break off. And one there, and one there. Okay, all the bolts are out, so it should come off now. Let's give it a little tug and see. Yep, this there. Okay, what was holding it on was mostly a little under tray, and then right behind here there is another 10mm bolt going on. I thought right there was no hole, so I didn't think there was a bolt in there, but it's actually right there. And I believe this little piece will pop right off. Yep. That just pops right out so you can get to that 10mm. Okay, that's what it looks like without a fender. Okay, I got the fender just sitting here. No bolts in it yet. You can already see how much wider it is. It's pretty dope. You can see I still got some body work to do there. But the holes are filled, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bolts in that I can. Let's see what she looks like. Okay, if you see the rocker panel here, that's why you can tell I'm not too worried about what this looks like. So yeah, got all the bolts in it. I'm gonna sand that down, put a little black on it, change the wheel out, put that in there, and see if I like it. There is a little bit of difference between this corner light and a 4x4 corner light. So I will probably get the 4x4 corner light and replace that eventually. So right here, the bumper, you can see, is about flush with the fender now. If we go on this side, you can see that the bumper actually sticks past there. This is the stock side, and this, horribly hard to see, is the 4x4 side. But to see what it looks like out in the light. For now I'm going to put a more offset wheel on that. See, it's not flush anymore. So this side you can see that wheel is flush or almost sticking out even. Alright everybody, this fender is on now, using the same process I did on that side. Basically taking the bolts out, putting the bolts back in. I opted to not put my antenna back in because this truck doesn't have a radio. Next thing we're going to do is these blinkers here. You can see they don't fit the pattern, and the bolts in the back don't line up. So I ordered a cheap set off eBay, but they don't have any bolts in them. We're going to see if we can make them fit. Okay guys, I got the blinkers on. There's some fitment issues with them that I'll be massaging in the future. And I got the fenders on. Check out that ball. A lot better in person, but it's definitely there. So yeah, this is what she looks like now. Also guys, tell me what you think about these wheels. I'm just testing it out for now. I might buy them, might not. Let me know what you think. That's it guys, everything you need to know to put on 4x4 fenders on your 2x4 Tacoma. Thanks for watching, comment, like, subscribe, and peace out.